Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Monday, January 9th. Finally back in the office. We were off a little bit for the holiday. Then, unfortunately, I had the flu, so really put trading on hold or even investing on hold. Although we did liquidate a correlation position, pretty much up very little bit on the correlation. Up about a little over 2 pips on it on a size adjusted basis. This is part of it that you're seeing here, Aussie dollar to Kiwi dollar. But you know, it wasn't working out. We were down on it most of the time, and then we finally got profitable actually while I was sick out of the office, but I was checking in on it. And so we were able to take a couple pips out of the market with it. Free up the cash and then look for another one. And then the other trade we had today was a pure scalp in Euro Aussie, which was a 100% position, which worked out nicely. So we'll go over them in a second. First, the economic news. Not a whole lot today, really. The Fed's Rosengren, I believe he's from Boston Fed. He says U.S. Central Bank is not targeting the stock market. I mean, that's pretty comical right there. We all know that they're targeting. I mean, yeah, they say they're targeting inflation and jobs, but don't tell me they're not looking at the stock market. That's a complete joke. And then the other piece of economic data that came out today was the Fed's labor market condition index. Now, this is the Federal Reserve's index, how they gauge labor market. And they've been telling us how great jobs are, and they've been creating so many jobs, the Obama administration, with the help of the Fed, and the economy is so great. Their own indicator missed miserably for the month of November. Their index came in with a negative reading, and it was supposed to come in with a positive 2.1. So absolutely horrible. And this is, like I said, this is their index. As comical as that is, that index plunged the most in 7 years. I hope you see the humor in it. I mean, I certainly do. It completely contradicts, and they created this index, right? The Federal Reserve created this index. Completely contradicts everything that they've been saying for the past few years. So, but all right, let's get to the trade. So, like I said, we had a correlation position on for a few weeks. Back in, I believe it was the 20th of December, 21st of December. We were long Aussie dollar from 0.72574, 40% of our normal size, and we were short Kiwi dollar 0.69263, 30% of our normal size. And you can see what happened here. In the beginning, the Aussie dollar was going against us, and even though the Kiwi dollar was working out for us, we had smaller size, as I just noted previously. But as it started to round up and start to move up, break out of this little bit of a consolidation that it was doing through the holidays, we were able to take the profits off the table. So we sold on Aussie dollar 0.73315, picking up 74.1 pips, or size adjusted 29.6. At the same time, we covered the Kiwi dollar 0.70169 for a loss of 90.6 pips. But again, we had less size, right? We had 30% of our normal size in Kiwi dollar compared to 40% of our normal size in the Aussie dollar. So that works out to we lost 27.2 pips. So we picked up about 2.4 pips on that correlation trade. Probably wasn't worth it, but you know, we'll take it and move on. It was better than being in a losing trade. Free up the cash. We'll look for another correlation trade. I thought we were going to actually get another one between these two pairs last night or this morning. It just hasn't materialized yet, but we are watching it. And then we had a full scalp on Euro Aussie, which we were short this morning from 1.43790. These are full scalps, so you know you're looking to make whatever you can, 4, 5, 8, 12, whatever pips it gives you real quick. We probably definitely left it on some on the table here. We covered 1.43738, picking up 5.2 pips, and you can see what it did. It just jerked right back down. So we definitely left some on the table. It was probably good for 15 to 20 pips pretty easily, but we'll take it and move on. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. We'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action tonight, tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.